The hypernaked motorcycle segment is a fierce arena where raw power intersects with razor-sharp handling. Yet very few machines have maintained such a legendary status as the Aprilia Tuono V4 Factory 1100. For the 2026 model year, Noali's finest engineering minds have chosen not to completely reinvent the wheel, but rather to refine an already masterful blueprint to an absolute edge. This latest iteration proudly carries a true 1,099 cubic centimeters displacement V4 power plant that complies with the stringent 5 Euro plus emission standards while retaining its intoxicating deep mechanical snarl. By marrying an unmatched superbike-derived chassis with an advanced predictive electronics suite and striking new aerodynamic enhancements inspired directly by their MotoGP program, the 2026 model solidifies its place at the pinnacle of high-performance road machinery. It remains a rare kind of motorcycle that gracefully bridges the gap between chaotic track day weapon and a surprisingly approachable public road companion, reminding the automotive world why the Tuono name continues to command immense respect globally. Design and ergonomics. Visually, the 2026 Aprilia Tuono V4 Factory 1100 continues its tradition of being the most covered and muscular option in the naked bike category. It proudly utilizes a signature frame-mounted front half-fairing rather than a floating handlebar-mounted headlight mask, which drastically reduces steering heavy-handedness at extreme velocities. The most prominent stylistic and functional update for this model year is the addition of highly visible, double overlapping aerodynamic winglets derived from the RSGP MotoGP race bike. These integrated spoilers are precisely sculpted to generate substantial vertical downforce on the front tire, significantly mitigating high-speed front-end lift while drastically increasing corner entry stability. From an ergonomic standpoint, Aprilia has carefully sculpted the 4.8-gallon fuel tank to offer an excellent physical anchor for the rider's knees and thighs under heavy braking or severe lean angles. The bike greets you with a wide, elevated riser handlebar that grants immense steering leverage without imposing the punishing, wrist-heavy strain associated with traditional clip-on sports bars. The seat height is positioned at an accessible 32.9 inches, while the updated subframe and lower chassis layout maximize legroom for taller riders. Additionally, dedicated extraction vents have been meticulously designed into the bodywork to actively draw scorching air away from the engine, redirecting thermal blast away from the rider's legs to dramatically improve real-world comfort during traffic crawls or extended summer sessions. Features and technology. The technological nerve center of the factory model revolves around a premium 5-inch full-color TFT display featuring advanced optical bonding. This engineering approach eliminates internal air gaps within the display screen, eliminating unwanted glare and ensuring total clarity of your metrics under direct, blinding sunlight. The interface provides a distinct layout option, including a dedicated race dashboard configuration that prioritizes lap timers, lean angle data, and telemetry over standard road statistics. Behind the glass lies an extraordinary electronic infrastructure governed by a highly advanced 6-axis inertial measurement unit working alongside the updated Magneti Marelli 11MP computer. For 2026, the famous Aprilia Performance Ride Control Package introduces groundbreaking predictive and adaptive logic algorithms. Rather than simply reacting after loss of traction or an impending wheelie occurs. Engine and transmission performance. At the heart of this machine beats the legendary 65-degree V4 engine, which sees its displacement fully settled at 1,099 cubic centimeters due to a longer stroke configuration compared to older generations. Fed by massive 52mm throttle bodies borrowed directly from the RSV4 Superbike, this engine variant delivers an official 180 horsepower at 11,800 revolutions per minute and a peak torque rating of 89 pound-feet, arriving at 9,650 revolutions per minute. While certain multi-cylinder rivals have pushed their naked bikes past the 200 horsepower threshold, Aprilia intentionally tuned the Tuono for an incredibly rich, linear, and muscular mid-range power band that remains endlessly rewarding on public asphalt. handling, and suspension. Chassis dynamics are where the Tuono V4 Factory 1100 truly steps away from its competition, relying on an RSV4 derived twin-spar aluminum frame that provides unparalleled front-end feedback. The motorcycle feels completely planted, encouraging riders to charge into technical apexes with absolute trust in the available grip. With a fully fueled wet weight of 465 pounds, it is not the absolute lightest hypernaked on paper, but its phenomenal weight distribution and frame geometry make it feel incredibly agile and stable once in motion. Fuel consumption. Given the high-performance orientation of a race-bred V4 engine displacing over 1,100 cubic centimeters, fuel economy is predictably modest. According to real-world tests and official estimates, the 2026 Tuono V4 Factory returns an average fuel consumption figure of approximately 33 miles per gallon under mixed riding conditions. When riding aggressively on a closed circuit or keeping the engine high in the rev range through technical mountain passes, that efficiency will naturally dip further. However, the generous 4.8-gallon fuel tank capacity ensures an effective cruising range of roughly 140 to 150 miles before the low fuel warning illuminates on the bonded TFT dashboard, which is perfectly acceptable for spirited weekend touring or rapid highway transits. Pros and cons. Pros. The V4 engine provides an incredibly linear torque curve and a sublime exhaust note. Pros. The semi-active Öhlins suspension delivers a phenomenal stability and adapts perfectly to changing road surfaces. Pros. The MotoGP-derived winglets provide highly effective front-end downforce at high speeds. Pros. The predictive electronic package offers seamless rider interventions without feeling intrusive. Cons. The fuel economy is relatively poor compared to some parallel twin or inline-4 alternatives. Cons. Unlocking advanced track-focused software maps requires an optional in-app purchase system. Cons. The overall wet weight is slightly heavier than its closest European hypernaked competitors. Price. Positioning itself squarely within the premium tier of the global motorcycling market, the 2026 Aprilia Tuono V4 Factory 1100 reflects its high-end components and Italian craftsmanship in its retail strategy. For riders in the United Kingdom, the model carries an official base retail price of £18,950 sterling. Across the European continent, the manufacturer has established a standardized pricing structure of €20,999 for key regions, including Italy, France, Germany, and Belgium, with minor regional adjustments pushing the price to €21,199 in Portugal and €22,049 in Spain due to localized tax differences. For the North American market, pricing hovers consistently around the $19,599 mark, making it a highly competitive choice for enthusiasts demanding an uncompromising mix of track-ready components and daily usability.